MT Biography, Songs, Awards. MT Biography. MT, whose real name is Mthimane Ndlovu, was born on 15th of September 1992. He is a South African rapper who's best known for his hit single Roll Up. His debut album Avery was certified platinum by Reason on 1st of July 2016. MT early life and career. He was born in Matatel, situated in the Eastern Cape, a coastal province in South Africa. He grew up in Rockville, Soweto, a major township in the Gauteng province. His career began when he was young. While he was 9 years old, he performed on stage for the first time at a Yeoville primary school talent show. When he was 17 years old, he became the youngest choir conductor at Barnardo Park High School, and won many provincial competitions as a member of his school's marimba band. In 2010 he collaborated with Meraza, a South African rapper, on a song titled In It to Win It. In 2015 his debut single Roll Up was produced by Ruff. The song was a major hit. It even topped DJ Speedsta's hip-hop chart on YFM. MT songs. Middle. Roll Up. Middle. Middle. Pearled Usi. Middle. We Up. Middle. Pray For Me. Middle. Feel Me Now. Middle. Picky Peaky. Middle. You Got It. Middle. Mamie Game. Middle. Mama. Middle. Where Were You? Middle. 50. Middle. Winning. Middle. About Me. Middle. Tell Me. Middle. Ready. Middle. Dreams. Middle. Avery. MT Awards. 1. 2016, Best New International Act during the 2016 BET Awards Viewers' Choice. 2. 2016, Amstel Record of the Year Roll Up during the 22nd South African Music Awards. 3. 2016, Best Rap Album Avery during the 22nd South African Music Awards. 4. 2015, Song of the Year Roll Up during the South African Hip Hop Awards. 5. 2015, Best Remix Roll Up during the South African Hip Hop Awards. 6. 2015, Best Hip Hop Album Avery at Metro FM Music Awards. 7. 2015, he won the Listener's Choice Award during the Metro FM Music Awards.